Hello and welcome. Today I'll demonstrate how to convert USDA format to DAE using MiConvert's free online tool. Let's begin. Start by searching USDA to DAE converter on Google. MiConvert.com should appear as one of the top results. Click to open it. This is the dedicated USDA to DAE conversion page. The tool supports batch conversion and maintains quality during the process. To begin, click Choose File to open the file browser. Locate your USDA file, select it, and confirm by clicking Open. The file has been loaded successfully. You can verify the file name and size here. When ready, click Convert Now to proceed. The conversion engine is processing your file. The progress indicator shows the current status. Please wait a moment. Excellent. The conversion is complete. Click Download to save the resulting DAE file to your local drive. Thank you for watching. For more file conversion tools, visit MiConvert.com. Please subscribe to our channel for future tutorials.